Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Al and Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey, home of my Rey Customs YouTube channel. Got here a brand new 2019 Tacoma TRD Pro. One of the more difficult trucks as of yet to either get leveled or lifted because of the new TSS system, so there's not much you can do with the TRD Pros. Obviously we wanted 35-inch tires or 315/70/17s. So we went ahead and did a FABTECH K7049DL Dirt Logic kit. So basically this fully drops down the front differential, gives you a set of reservoir coilovers, reservoir shocks for the rear, bigger blocks. But once again, this is what it takes to get 35-inch tires on a Tacoma properly. We even did the body mount mod where we trim a little bit of metal and weld in a secondary piece so it looks nice and stock and flush and clean. These are the black Rhino armories. Make sure if you're doing this lift kit, you do need the ones with the -18 offset. Otherwise, they will not work. Once again, Joe from Al and Ed's Autosound with a FABTECH K7049DL lift kit on a brand new 2019 Tacoma. If you're interested, give us a call. 310-827-8121. Ask for Joe.